Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're taking a look at our dead pedal for the Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. The Jeep got a lot of things right when they designed the newest edition of these vehicles. However, they overlooked one very key factor, and that is where you rest your left foot, whether you're crawling down the trail or cruising down the highway. And that's where the Quadratec Dead Pedal comes into play. Once it's installed in your footwell and you've got a comfortable place to rest that left foot, you'll wonder how you ever survived going on a road trip or heading off the pavement without one installed in your vehicle. The Quadratec Dead Pedal is available in 3 different configurations for you. You can choose the bare standalone dead pedal, crafted from durable 304 stainless steel. It features a hexagon pattern that's laser cut into the pedal surface for you, or for even more comfort and an anti-slip grip for your left foot, which would come in handy when you're crawling down those technical obstacles on the trail. You can add one of the available rubberized pedal pads to the package. Now you can choose from either the Quadratec logo rubberized pad, featuring the Quadratec logo right there on the bottom, or the officially licensed Jeep logo version of the rubberized pad for your Quadratec Dead Pedal. Both of these feature that hexagon pattern that matches the existing rubberized pads found on your accelerator and brake pedals. Now, it is worth noting that if your vehicle is equipped with a third pedal, a clutch pedal, or a manual transmission, the Dead Pedal is not compatible with your vehicle. There's simply no place for it. But it is compatible with all versions of the Wrangler and Gladiator equipped with an automatic transmission, including both gasoline powered as well as the 4xe hybrid drivetrain powered vehicles, thanks to the 2 different mounting locations found on the Dead Pedal. Now, it's designed to be a super easy bolt-on installation for you with just some minor assembly required out of the box, and that's because it is adjustable. You'll notice we've got 3 mounting locations found right there on the pedal, allowing you to push that in tighter to the firewall or pull it a little closer to you, depending on your seating position and your overall height. You can dial in the perfect position for that pedal to give you the most comfort when you're resting your foot on it. To get started with the install, we'll go ahead and choose which mounting location we'll be using. And with a 4mm Allen key, go ahead and slide a washer on the provided bolt, slip it through the pedal and the mounting bracket, secure it in place with one of the lock nuts using a 10mm wrench. Go ahead and repeat that procedure on the opposite side. Now, if you are going to be installing one of the rubberized pads onto the Dead Pedal, this is the perfect time to take care of that. Simply give the pedal a quick wipe down with an alcohol wipe to clean away any residue on the surface. Peel back the backing and adhere the pad into place. Next, before we install the pedal into the footwell, grab the included hex coupler and locate the mounting stud on the lower left corner of the brake booster in the firewall. Thread the coupler onto the mounting stud, tightening it in place with a 13mm socket. Now we can grab the Dead Pedal assembly and slip it into place. If your vehicle is a 4xe model Wrangler, go ahead and use that upper mounting location. For all other gasoline-powered Wranglers and Gladiators, you'll be utilizing that lower mounting location. With the Dead Pedal in place using a 5mm Allen key, go ahead and secure it down with that included button head bolt. The Dead Pedal easily flips up out of the way so that you can remove carpeted or rubberized floor mats for easy cleaning. And that's all it takes to get the Dead Pedal installed in your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator, giving you a comfortable place to rest your left foot for your next off-road adventure or highway cruise. Once it's installed, I promise you'll wonder how you ever survived without having one there before. If you want to get one for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the Dead Pedal or how to get it installed, you can always do this for me down in the comment section below or by simply heading to the website. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.